Where have you been? You just up and disappeared?
Where did you get this?
Wrong question.
Joey Barnes of the Washington Herald quoting a source close to the president.
I'm not exactly sure how it got leaked.
We're in damage control now.
Where are you getting this shit? You're a metro scrub, and now look at you.
I'm a powerful friend to have right now. Perhaps your only friend.
I'm done.
Hey, Christine.
I don't want to hear it, Peter.
What does she want?
Access. A seat at the table.
I'll go underground, back rooms, the urinals.
Gossip column.
No, we lift the veil. What's really going on?
I can't keep having my work take these hits on behalf of yours. It's more than just an inconvenience.
Politics. This force is bigger than either of us at play here.
Does that mean I'm gonna have the bed to myself tonight?
We'll have a lot of nights like this. Making plans. Very little sleep.
I expected that. It doesn't worry me.
Hey,
We mustn't leave any trails.